So in the first problem, we are given a cube root. So we would like to find a number whose cube is 64. So think about factors of 64. So for example, you might think of 8, but 8 times 8 is 64, which is 8 square. It is not 8 cube. So this is, in fact, we talked about this in class already. So the cube of 4 will be equal to 64. So 64, the cube root will be 4. And for x to the 6th, to be able to find the cube root, we will need to reverse the process. So when we cube it, we multiply the exponent by 3. So if we divide the exponent by 3, we can get the cube root of x to the 6th, which is x squared. So okay, so let me just do it this way. 4 times x squared is cubed. So when we cube 4 times x squared, we will end up with 64 times x to the 6th. So what we have inside the cube root is this expression. So remember, the cube root and the cube will cancel out. So we will end up with 4 times x squared. Okay, so the first one, the result is 4x squared. And in the second one, we have a square root. So square root of 81 is 9. And for x to the 8th, we can divide the exponent by 2 to reverse the squaring process. So the square root will be x to the 4th. And so this thing, when squared, gives us 81x to the 8th. So we can just simplify the square root and the square to find 9x to the 4th. But remember, since this is a square root, the result cannot be a negative number. Therefore, we have to put absolute value around our result. And since 9 is just a positive number, we can take it out. So the result will be 9 times absolute value of x to the power 4.